Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So one of the most common challenges or complaints that you'll hear from creators is the fact that they don't have enough time. Now, I completely understand this, as pretty much everybody has other responsibilities and most people can't devote 100% of their time to creating. But also I feel like this is an easy excuse not to create, and there is an easy fix for that. And the fix is simply, you're going to have to make time. If this is a priority to you where you want to be a content creator, you want to make a living out of it, then there's no way around that. But then you think, like, what is the best time? How can I actually do this? Well, I always believe in a notion of taking baby steps and also doing a lot of testing. But from my own personal experience, I really feel getting up early in the morning is the best time to do that. So typically, I would say anywhere from 5 in the morning to 7. At least that's the time that works best for me. So get up, during that time, and then try to create, test it first, maybe try to get up 30 minutes earlier. And then you could actually progressively increase it from there and just devote all your time to creating during that period. And so the reason why early in the morning helps so much is, the first thing is you have just had a night's sleep. And so you are more well rested, your brain is fresh. And at the same time, for most people, they don't have many distractions that early in the morning. Whereas if it's any other time during the day, it becomes really difficult for you to devote that time. And then the other thing is, once you start creating early in the morning, it sets in motion a lot of things, and now you are already in action. And so it allows you to be more productive in many other areas, not just as a content creator alone. And so that is my recommendation. If you are in that spot where you feel like you don't have enough time, try to get up a little earlier and really focus on being a creator and to see what works best for you, and then just increase it from there. Because for me, I went from being able to create only 1 or 2 pieces of content per week. Now I could create like 4 or 5 pieces of content every single day. So if you had any thoughts on this, or maybe you're going through these own challenges yourself, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.